You've heard of the AK-47, but what about the weapon that replaced it? Lighter, faster, and more accurate. This is the story of the AK-74, the Soviet rifle that tried to improve a legend. During the Vietnam War, the US military introduced the M16, a lighter, smaller caliber rifle. The Soviets took notice. In response, they developed a modernized version of the AK-47 in 1974, the AK-74. It was the Soviet Union's answer to NATO's new generation of firearms. At first glance, it looks just like the AK-47, but the differences are serious. The AK-74 uses a 5.45 39mm round, lighter than the AK-47's 7.62mm, but more accurate with less recoil. It also has a muzzle brake that reduces climb during automatic fire. Lighter weight, better control, improved precision. The AK-74 saw heavy action in the Soviet-Afghan War, where its lighter ammo made it easier to carry in mountainous terrain. It quickly became the standard issue rifle for Soviet and later Russian forces. Today, it remains in use across Eastern Europe, Central Asia, and beyond. Pros? Lighter, easier to handle, more accurate at medium range. Cons? Less stopping power than the AK-47 and more sensitive to poor maintenance. It's a rifle made for speed and precision, not brute force. Here's what you might not know. The AK-74U, a compact version, is popular with Russian special forces. Its ammo causes a unique wounding effect due to bullet tumbling. And despite being lesser known in the West, the AK-74 has influenced rifle designs worldwide. The AK-74 didn't replace the AK-47 in hearts, but on the battlefield, it became a worthy successor, faster, lighter, and designed for modern war. What do you think? Is the AK-74 an upgrade or just a compromise? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe for more legendary weapon stories.